another video. My name is Nour Trades, and I'm known for turning $20,000 into a little over $3 million. So a few things happened today. There wasn't really much on the news side. We did get some news at the end of the day. Trump has confirmed that China has been buying a lot of U.S. agricultural goods, and Treasury has confirmed that China will be visiting the U.S. next week for talks, which will be the first week of October, if I'm not mistaken. It is the 20th. It might actually be before the 20th. But, yeah, so other than that, there hasn't been any news today. It was actually a pretty slow day, but I did take advantage of a few things today. And other than that, that was about it. But let's start with Roku. Let me talk about my execution on Roku. All right, so let's look at Roku here. Roku, it was 9:41 when it entered this consolidation period. I signaled puts today on Roku, and I actually had a really nice profit on this one today. So why did I signal puts on Roku? Well, it entered a consolidation phase here, consolidation period. I knew from pre-market that 111 was resistance point, and if it broke over that with volume, this could actually touch 120-ish, right? So I saw for 10 minutes that it was stuck in this consolidation period, drew a highlighted area, as you can see here. As soon as it broke, I entered. It actually broke with volume. As you can see, the volume down there with 209,000. These candles were 96, blah, blah, 150. And then it broke with 200,000, and it just kept dropping. I entered Roku for puts here, and you can see that it dropped from 110 all the way down to 105. So that was a 5-point play on Roku, and that's why I had a play. That's why I entered Roku on a put side at around 952-ish. Yeah. And then, all right, so it started uptrending. You could see price action here. We got some volume here, 250K. And then it came down. As soon as I saw, I had an uptrend here, just matched it. I had an uptrend. As soon as it came down to this, I scalped this, took this off. I sold right here, the second candle here. I should have held a little bit longer, but came back down, and it actually started uptrending a little longer for the remainder of the day right here, and then started downtrending. So it was a very choppy day for Roku, but took advantage of a few points that I could have took advantage of. Best one, obviously, was right here. Another trade I'm looking at is Shopify. Why am I looking at Shopify? The reason I'm looking at Shopify is it punched through some resistance here. I announced it in the morning. Let me read you my exact notes. Shopify looks to test support again around that 311, 312 area. Did it do that in the morning? No, it did not. But it did it at the end of the day. So let's keep reading. If this has room down to 300, if it does break that, but on the upside, if it breaks 319.39 with volume, this can see 323. What did it do when it broke 319.39? It pushed all the way up to 325. As soon as it hit that number, it came down for the remainder of the day. You could see that this was just downtrending here. Hit support at around 3:33 p.m., which was later in the day. Yes, it bounced off for a 3-point play, but that's normal. But it did break support. So I'm looking for this to break tomorrow. If it doesn't, then it's going to push up just a little bit. But right now, the stock is just downtrending. Look at the price action here. It doesn't look good. This looks like a big drop is coming. Usually when it does this little consolidation here, you get a nice little big candle, big candle, big candle. It's right at support. This is pushing the stock to its very, they're pushing Shopify down. I also saw a lot of puts versus call options. I think it was 2-to-1 today. So it was like 30,000 puts bought today for Shop versus 15,000 in calls. So very bearish day on Shopify. I saw a lot of 290 puts for next week. Pretty heavy volume as well. So Shopify does not look good, and it does not look to recover. So those were my two plays today, Shopify and Roku. I think I had another video. Oh, I think it was Roku and Amazon. But that is your video for today, explaining why I entered these trades, why did I set this up, and how I set it up. And I'm going to do more videos like this so you can understand how I come up with these trades. But I do have a new personal 8-week training program coming out October 1st. So make sure you pre-order that. It'll be in my Instagram bio. And it'll come with 1 month of the Signals chat. I do trade ideas, Signals. People from the Signals chat will know what I do. But a lot of great stuff. Check out my Instagram, Nour Trades. Any more information, make sure you check out the description. And make sure you hit that like button and comment down below. I'll see you guys. Peace.